Good afternoon, everybody. This is John Wright with Keller Cityview, coming to you from in front of 14931 Costa in San Antonio, Texas. Doing an open house here today on behalf of Samantha Pompa. This is a fantastic home in a gated community here in Ladera. Went around, knocked on some doors, and talked to some of the neighbors, tried to find out what's important for them. And many of them mentioned quiet community, gated community, good mix of families and veterans. And as you can see, it's very quiet. Father playing with his children out front, and we still have a little bit of new construction going on. This property next door has been sold already, and this one is available for a quick close. And the best thing about this home, it's only a couple years old, and it still has that incredible new house smell. Let's go inside and take a look. I wish you were here with me, because if you could smell it, you would know this home smells brand new. Coming to the first floor, have an office area, walking into a open dining and kitchen area and great room with dramatic two-story ceilings, lots of natural light coming in. This one has a first floor master bedroom. So if you have any difficulties accommodating stairs, this would be a fantastic home for you to consider. There are 2 bedrooms downstairs and 2 bedrooms upstairs with an incredible loft area. Let's head up the stairs. Actually, let's go see here in the back. Off the kitchen, you have another bedroom and a full bathroom. Laundry's on the first floor, off of the kitchen area. As we head upstairs, we're going to see, as soon as we get to the top of the staircase and make the turn, this incredible loft area with abundant natural light. Be a second living room or a place for the kids to wind down before they go to bed. Could also be an area, if you homeschool, their study area or play area. Got plenty of blown-in insulation in the attic. Very nice closet for linens on the second floor. Let's go take a look outside. Great area. This is almost a 1/4 acre of land on a cul-de-sac. So the lot kind of fans out from the front. Lots of green space. You have beautiful fireplace for a pit, for entertaining. And all this can be yours. The current asking price is $525,000. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. This is really as good as brand new. Smells like brand new. Only thing is, you don't have to wait 6 months. You can buy it today. This is John Wright with Keller Cityview on behalf of Samantha Pompa's listing at 14931 Costa in the Ladera Subdivision. I will be here until 4 p.m. today. You can reach me at 773-733-1888. And we can start making this beautiful house your home starting today.